And welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. The 1-9 favorite, She's a Maneater, didn't have much work to do in a small field, exerting her dominance to retain the non-such sprint trophy, a graded stakes contest over 6 furlongs at Caymanas Park on Saturday.
6 horses faced the starter, and when sent on their way, She's a Maneater was on the headlines. The slightest nudge by Omar Walker was all she needed to dodge another bullet.
And the slow starting Royal Vibes looking hopeless. They've left the 5 and run down the back stretch, about to leave it and arrive at the half mile. Money Magnet races out wide. She's a Maneater is extremely early, and now She's a Maneater snatches that lead from another bullet. In behind them, Money Magnet racing on the outside, close enough at this stage. Uncle Frank races next with Winter is Coming, and the hopeless Royal Vibes remains at the back. They've left the 3, 5/16 to run. She's a Maneater and Omar Walker will turn for home with that lead. Another bullet now asked to respond. Toward the outside, that's Money Magnet, but She's a Maneater now put to the stick. Walker asks for everything. As they leave the 3/16 and the non-set sprint, it's She's a Maneater out in front. Another bullet in her slipstream, but left 3 lengths back as they flash past the furlong pole. It's She's a Maneater guiding them along inside the last 16. She's a Maneater. The non-set sprint trophy will go to She's a Maneater. Omar Walker win Acosta OD. They win by almost 5 over another bullet. Then Money Magnet and
The 5-year-old Baymere won by 3 3/4 lengths in 1 minute and 11. Trainer Wayne Acosta said She's a Maneater had some niggles as well as a cut on the tongue, so he allowed her time to heal and to put her in this race as opposed to running her for the Viceroy Trophy on Derby Day.
Well, there was not much in the race from the beginning, so we were expecting a victory. We never thought it would have been so facile because she was able to dominate from the word go. Usually going 6 furlongs, she's coming from off it. Today she was able to dominate from the word go, and that made it much more easier for her.
Meanwhile, a fast finish in Cryptocurrency staged a late fight back and managed to pip leader Soul Cure in a tight finish in the co-feature Titania Trophy, going 5.5 furlongs.
The Titania Trophy, and it is Soul Cure who battles to hold the lead with 3/16 to run. Here is Formal Fashion asked to close a 2 or 3 length deficit. Toward the outside, Reggaeton Grammy and Splendid Vision rubbing shoulders. Casual Drink is in between horses. It's Soul Cure. Here is the danger now. Cryptocurrency has 16th to run. Soul Cure battling to hold a length advantage. Now a half a length. Cryptocurrency flying in the end. It's a head bob. It's close between Soul Cure, Cryptocurrency. Then Casual Drink, Splendid Vision, Shore Coat in behind.
The 3-1 choice won by a nose in 1 minute 6 3/5 of a second, and trainer Philip Fiani said he gave jockey Ian Spence specific instructions based on Cryptocurrency's running style.
Well, you see, we're not quite sure what she'll do when she hit the front. So the instructions were don't hit the front until the last moment.
Racing continues on Wednesday. Denise Walters reporting from Caymanas Park for TVJ Sports.